I did an unboxing video several videos back on me opening up the package that I was pretty excited about, and it was opening up my package for my backcountry bidet. And I took it out in the field. I can't believe I'm going to do this, but I'm going to actually do a first impressions review of my backpacking bidet, and because I was impressed with it. I think I might be a bidet convert. There's probably entire clubs out there, associations, societies, where you can join and be a bidet fan. I'm one of them. Can you believe it? So anyway, I took the bidet out into the backcountry, I took the bidet out backpacking, and I will admit, I hate to admit this, but I did also bring a good supply of toilet paper and wipes as well. I folded at the last second and stuck in the toilet paper and wipes just in case I just couldn't go through with using this. And so I used it. And I used it 3 times. I won't get any more specific than that. But 3 times I used it, and 3 times I walked back to the trail, incredibly happy that I am now a bidet user. And if you're going to try one new piece of backpacking gear this upcoming season, can I highly recommend that you throw a bidet into your pack. Even if you just want to test it out, it weighs nothing. I think it weighs 0.6 ounces or something like that. Throw it in your pack and give it a shot. After 3-4 days of being out backpacking, I just felt a little different when I returned home. I will admit, I won't get into any specifics, but it felt a little bit more sparkly down there. And it was not as hard as I thought it would be to use. I know other people on the last one left comments about just using a squirt bottle. I mean, the idea with this one is you hook it up to your water bottle, and it has the nozzles that come up. So if you're holding it behind you, it's easier to get at from the angle. Also, there was one time, won't get into specifics, but I used this. I was coming down a really steep trail, and wasn't the most comfortable place to poop. But it was a tough angle where I had to go, and this performed just wonderfully. So it is definitely something that I'm going to continue to use. I think the next time I go out for my next trip, I won't be stashing all the extra toilet paper. Maybe just 1 dried out baby wipe per day. But if you're going to try one new thing this summer, bring a backpacking bidet, put it into your backpack. You do need to probably pack in a little extra alcohol, wipe stuff for your hands, but otherwise it performs better than expected. All right, thanks.